you want to start your new year off right, if you want to even just try out a few different classes, you've never taken yoga, Pilates, kickboxing, boxing, martial arts, rock, like there's so many classes out there. So if you haven't tried any of them, this is an app to at least check out. Go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into everything we call this app ClassPass. What's up? It's your girl DopeAsDeeJay, and this is DopeAs Reviews. So we are about to go over ClassPass. I'm gonna show you how to book your first class, and I'll show you the different memberships that they have. So what is ClassPass? First off, it's an app that has several different types of classes. So you can go to boxing one day, you can go to martial arts, you can go to yoga. You can actually also get your hair done. You can go to the salon, you can get a massage. They have many categories. We'll go more into them when we go inside the app. It is on a credit-based system. It's definitely one of the first apps I've seen like this. It's exactly what I've been looking for, because really I wanted an app that I can travel with, but I can still go to the gym at any time. And I love trying out classes. Like, those are so much fun. I like that the app gives you opportunity to go to multiple classes and not just limit yourself to one. And not to mention, it is all over the US, so I can take this wherever I want to go. And I travel a bit, so it eliminates all excuses on why you're not working out. They have plans for everyone. Let's get into booking your first class. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and book your class. Let's go into the app.
So let's book a class. So let's first show you how to go in. So here are some of the classes I was talking about. So each you got yoga, Pilates, massages, bar, boxing, cycling, facial, dance, hit, boot camp, gym time, just regular gym time, nails, hair remove, hair, Zumba dance, sauna, lashes, brows, cryotherapy, outdoor, CrossFit, martial arts, running, rock climbing, meditation, sports recovery, parental, spa treatment, acupuncture, rowing, personal training, and sports and recreation. So you got options. I usually just go ahead and on the fitness one that I'm gonna choose. I usually just go ahead and go fitness, but or you can go all business, but I'm gonna just go fitness for this time. So you can tell at the top corner here, it's a fitness, so it tells you what category here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you one thing. You go ahead and zoom out, you can go wherever you want. I'm gonna go here randomly, San Jose. Search this area, it'll give you a pop-up. You go down here and you can begin to look at the classes that are available. It'll tell you what the credits are right next to them and the times. So what I like to do, I like to go ahead and push this button here and say filter it. So if you have a specific time you have, a certain amount of credits you want to stay in between, or if you're just looking for a specific class, community, or if you want to go with a friend, you can fill 2 spots or 1 spot. So then you guys can be able to go together and won't be booked. So that's a great thing. So let's say we want to book this one here. There. First, you can go here and see some of the reviews. They have a lot of reviews. See what those are about. You can check out their Instagram, websites. You can read a little more about what they have, different amenities that they provide, where's their location. It pretty much breaks down how you get there, so you can't get lost. Then, if you have any vaccination policies, mask wear policies, most of them really don't, but there may be some that you might want to check. So you go ahead and go to view schedule. You'll also be able to notify me. That's cool. So if you want to go ahead and get a reminder, get a notification. So let's say we want to do here, this bar one, and go down here. Here will tell you what class is actually being done right there at the bottom. Sometimes the class does not match up with the title, so that'll tell you what the class is. Then if you go down, if you want to add it to your calendar, you can go ahead here. And if you want to invite somebody, you can go ahead here. You can also go ahead and add people to your contacts, so you can add them whenever you guys want to do classes together. If you want to know what kind of class it is, go here to read more. It'll tell you specifically classes, reviews, cancellation policies. So that's something to note. If you book a class, you will have to pay. So do not book a class and you do not come. You will have to pay. You will end up paying more in cancellation fees if you always cancel. So you have time to cancel the class, but do not miss the class. Please do not miss the class. You have time. Okay, it'll tell you about, you can call them. Most of them are really good at answering their phone calls. read more. It tells you more about their location and everything you need to know and how to get there. This is something definitely to look at, how to prepare. It's definitely something to look at. It shows you wear yoga attire, like socks, bring water. Please arrive 15 minutes early. Some of them will not let you into their class if you're late. So this is definitely something to look at. Definitely. And then pretty much click reserve. I'm not going to click it because I only have to. But go ahead, click reserve and you'll be booked for the class. Another good thing about the classes are they usually cut off about 30 to 45 minutes. You won't be able to book, so don't try and do last minute bookings 45 minutes before the class starts. Prepare before that.
When I started ClassPass, I was given about 28 credits for the month to try it out. And I was able to take about 5 classes. I did have about 10 credits left over by the end of the month. So that was kind of good, but kind of bad because I really had a lot more classes that I could have tried. So once you've taken the class one time during the trial period, you won't be able to take it again. Well, you can if you get the membership. The free trial, some of the classes are unavailable. Okay. To like the massages and some of the salons, so be wary of that. Note, the credits do fluctuate, but they can be cheaper once you've gone to the class. They tend to run deals like they'll cut it half off, or they do like a little discounted price, like 30%. So usually it'd be 4 credits, now it's 2 credits. And also checking the times. Certain times have lower credit time, like credit prices. So like sometimes the earlier classes will be 6 credits, and in the afternoon class will be 4 credits with the same instructor, same class. But sometimes it's a different instructor. A secret I found was I found that most classes do, like most classes, when you are taking the ClassPass, when you go there the first time, they offer a free trial. So that means if you wanted to go ahead and try the class for free under them, and then go under ClassPass and try it for free again, then hey, then you get 2 little freebies. Don't let nobody know I sent you. Okay, keep it on the low. But that's how you can get 2. Not all of the classes do that for sure, but most of the ones I've been to, they offer free, your first time free. Next, let's dive into the app and check out these subscriptions that they got.
So let's go over the plans real quick. They currently have about 6 plans while I'm looking at it. They have the 8 credit plan, that's $19. That's the one I'm currently on because I only have a few. They do roll over your credit, so that is good. That one only rolls over 10. So I guess if you don't use it, you can roll over because you're only getting 8. They also have 13 credits for $29 a month. You can roll over 13, so you can roll over all yours. The next step up is 28 credits. That one right there would be $59 a month. Then we have 38 credits. That would be $79 a month. And both of these can be done rolled over. You can roll over. For 80 credits, it's $159 a month. And you can roll over all 80. And then for 100 credits, it's $199 a month. And you can roll over 100. So that's not bad. Seems like you can use a lot. I'm currently on the lowest plan, but I may move it up eventually. Okay, so there's add-on credits that you can get. So for the add-on credits, you can do 2 credits, and that'd be $6. These are one-time credits. They're not going to change your monthly plan. So we have 2 credits for $6, 10 credits for $25, 25 credits for $60, 50 credits for $115, and then 75 credits for $170. So you can always add more.
The good thing about this is it does, allow you to try out different classes and also, go to different areas to see what they offer. So, and there's a multiple locations, so that's the great part about it. So I showed you how to book a class on ClassPass. I showed you what ClassPass is. I showed you the subscriptions. I showed you everything. I showed you the free trial. I showed you tricks. So there isn't no excuse why you're not out there going to the gym today. There's no excuse why you're not in yoga today. There's no excuse why you haven't tried a new class today. Yeah, there ain't no excuse. So I showed you all the things that I've pretty much learned this far from using ClassPass. So if you want to try it for free, with some credits on top, the link is below. It'll shoot you right over there. So for the overall review, we want to rate this in dopeness. What are we gonna rate it? A 9 out of 10. So I like that you are able to take this to a different state, to a different county. So wherever you are, you'll be able to exercise. So there's no excuse. So I don't know, some people may not want to get this because now they ain't gonna have an excuse not to go to their Pilates in the morning. Because there's Pilates everywhere, trust me. And stay tuned for more dope ass reviews, guys. You will be seeing more of the classes I end up checking out. DopeAsDeeJay out. I know you can tell I'm a bit tired, but I had to bring this to you ASAP. Alright, y'all. Good night.
Ain't no still steady sinning, but I repent. It's a beautiful day.
Man, you need to get up off your ass and go do something with your life, man. You wasting your time.
It's a beautiful day.
Man, I'm being for real, man. Like, you gotta do something, man. You gotta do it.
I know.